Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the chat wallpaper in line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to chat of any one of your friends. Let's say I want to go to the chat of this person right here. And guys, this is it. This is the background wallpaper. Right now, I want to change it. At the top right, you can see these three lines right next to call. Click on it right now. Once you do that, these things will open up. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as settings. It is at the very bottom. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. Below, note notification, you can see the chat wallpaper. Click on it. Now select the wallpaper of your choice. Do note that it can be illustration, colors, or simply your own customized photos. Let's say I select this one right here. It's okay with me, so I'm simply going to click on apply. And that is it guys. As you can see, the wallpaper has been changed. Do note you can do this for other friends as well. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.